All right, I've got a project I need to tackle, and it requires the cutting of a tree. So, teamed up with the company so I can get a chainsaw, a little mini chainsaw. And this is how it comes to you. This is the package that it comes in. It's a power chainsaw, like a little mini electric chainsaw. So, pretty nice. This is how it's going to come to you in the packaging. You got your manual. Got some nice grippy gloves here. Okay. Here is the chainsaw. Yeah, a little bit of weight to it. That's nice. Be careful with the chainsaw, folks. This is actually sharp. This is a trigger mechanism here. Press that in. You'll be able to use it like that. So it's a safety on it by default. That's good. And this is a very nice little, small little chainsaw. You got some safety goggles here, some glasses. I mean, literally, you have everything in here. And this is probably going to be for lubricant. Here's your chain, because you'll need to have a chain on it. You can see here, you get one on there. And if you have to change, like if that one breaks or something, you have an additional one. And here's the tool you'll need to change it. And here's a screwdriver. I mean, literally, you have everything in the box here to where you shouldn't need anything. This is going to be for the charger, because you need to charge up these battery packs here. Because it is cordless, it is wireless. So here's the charger that you need. And then you get two chargers. Two batteries, I should say, I'm sorry. Two batteries. 21 volts. Lithium. There you go. Very simple and to the point. Now you charge right here in these spots right here. So what does it look like when you actually put the battery in? Just like that. There is the charger. Now we're going to go outside and we're going to cut some branches off this tree just to make sure that it can actually handle it. And I'm pretty sure it can. I just want to be sure. So let's go outside and let's cut down some branches. This poor tree has been dying for some time. Let's see here. I'm gonna cut a few of these off. Cut it off with ease. Yeah, I've been meaning to cut this tree down, but just wanted to spare it and see if it'll grow back like my other one. My other one grows back all the time. This one kind of just doesn't grow back. There you go. So this definitely works. It's a strong chainsaw. I'm going to finish cutting this tree down and see you guys in the next video. Sorry, guy.